Welcome to Main Idea Level 5. Remember, when we talk about main idea, it's different from the topic. The topic is just the general subject. The main idea is what the author wants you to know about it. And all of the information that the author gives you should connect back to that main idea. In this, you're going to have to read some paragraphs and short passages and try to determine the main idea. So let's try one together. Remember some of the tips we talked about: looking for words or phrases that repeat, trying to identify a topic sentence, which usually comes at the beginning or the end of a paragraph, and asking those three questions. What is the text mostly about? That gets us the topic. What does the author want me to know or understand? That gives us the main idea. And then the last question: what information connects everything together or links everything together? That helps us check to make sure we've correctly identified the main idea. So let's read this one. In March 2016, Death Valley National Park in California experienced a rare occurrence. Thousands of yellow wildflowers covered the region in a super bloom. Why was this unusual? Death Valley is the hottest and driest place in North America. The area's average yearly precipitation is just 2 inches, making it a challenging place for flowers to grow. However, in October 2015, the valley had received more than 3 inches of rain in some areas. As a result of the unusually wet season, wildflower seeds that had been lying dormant underground suddenly began to grow, producing an abundance of golden blooms. Okay, so what is this text mostly about? Well, it seems to be about wildflowers growing in Death Valley. What does the author want me to know about wildflowers growing in Death Valley? I noticed a word that was repeated. We have unusual up here, and we also have a different form of it right here: unusually wet season. So that helps me figure out what they're focusing on, which is this occurrence that doesn't normally happen: wildflowers growing in that area. I also noticed that this last sentence seems to sum up what the author was talking about in the rest of the paragraph. As a result of the unusually wet season, wildflowers were able to grow and produce a bunch of blooms. So this topic sentence helps me figure out the main idea. It helps me figure out what the author wants me to know, which is that because of the rain that this area got that it doesn't normally get, wildflowers were able to grow there. Does that connect all of the information that's given to me in the rest of the paragraph? Yeah, it does. So our correct answer is going to be the first option. Because of an unusual amount of rain, thousands of wildflowers grew in Death Valley in 2016. The second one says because of the hot, dry conditions in Death Valley, it is difficult for flowers to grow there. That's true, but that doesn't connect everything that the author gave us. And it doesn't give us what the author really wants us to know, which is that wildflowers were able to grow in 2016. Okay, good luck with this. And if you need help, remember to ask a teacher.